Okay, how's everybody doing? So I just want to talk to you a little bit about modeling a siding, in this case on River Road, which is HO scale. I have a really cool video. I went and walked the spur at IPEX the other day. The weather was really nice, pretty quiet down there. And oftentimes I'll go down there just to get re-inspired. Like I find that every time I go down there, I want to work on my layout. Like this is section 3, and this is a siding that I've been working on for probably about a year. Well, this particular section. And oftentimes, every time, I never finish the actual, section or scene for at least a year or more. Or I've worked on, I still go back to section 1, and I started that 4 years ago, and I add details. And I find that whenever I study the prototype, like a siding, for example, whether it's out of service, in service, whatever, I always get ideas about adding details to my layout. And the reason why I do it is because it makes the layout more immersive and more fun to operate. So what I want to do is I want to show you where I went. And it's really good video, actually, with this new little pocket cam that I'm using that works really good outdoors. And I just want to show you as I walk the IPEX spur, and you'll see a out of service siding, and I'll show you all the details that I think are really good subjects to model, okay? So this is out of service track. This is another little spur off of the IPEX lead. Used to be an industry here. And this is what not abandoned, but out of service turnout and track looks like. You see the old ties there. See the stains of the plates on the ties. Piece of rail there. Some ties just to block why they did that. They just laid them there for a reason. There's new turnout ties there, notice that? And then when we come over here, you can see all the tie plates and the spikes all piled up. How often do we model that? And furthermore, here's the frog. Cool, isn't it? And then here's the ties that are still here. Oh, look at that. Just caught SRY going by. That's the main, that's the CP. It's shared CN main, and SRY uses it as well. And they'll go further down and back in here. Okay, so there you have it. So whenever I want to find inspiration, you might try it. Study photos, go out for a walk. Use your phone. If you have a phone, it's a great device to do video and still pics. And if you can't get out, if you have access to the internet, then there's lots of photos under Google Images, or even paintings or whatever, but something that you can study and add details to in the same way that, the real world is basically. And oftentimes rail, we miss rail and ties on the siding. I'll just say this in closing. You can see the sort of the main in here. This is maintained by CP. So the ballast would be cleaner, and you can see that they pull the odd tie when they run through with MOW equipment. They don't pull all the ties, they just replace the old ones with new ones, etc. And then, of course, with short lines, they'll recycle ties if they're still good. Okay? So have fun, happy modeling, and I hope that you have a great day.